This is how we jive for mass communication. Here I'm again with another video. Here I'm again with another unboxing. This time we have Lenovo AI glasses. This is GLA6412BK2 from Lenovo 100 megapixel camera 8K HD smart glasses. Chat GTP other information you have, and Bluetooth call, voice assistant, many things is written. So I'm gonna see all the things here written, they are true or not. Okay, so lovely packaging though of this box. I will see from where we can unpack this one. Gonna use my knife. Here we go. Take this off from here. Let's see. Lovely packaging is beautiful. You can see here, lovely black pack. Only Lenovo was written there. Here is not written anything. Let's see. Yeah, is packed inside a beautiful looking cover. We'll go to that later. See what we have inside. Says Lenovo but not say anything. We have a data cable. Let's see. We have a charging cable. I thought maybe USB or micro USB, whatever, but doesn't matter. What else we have? We have a cotton to clean. We have a manual. As I bought, it was Lenovo, but here it's a AI glasses. Nothing of Lenovo, so I don't know. We'll see that. Doesn't matter. And here is the glass. Let me take this off. Glass looks beautiful, to be honest. Look as a Wayfarer of Meta. This side is quite heavy. You can see here the power button we have. Let me show you. Wow. Here this side I think is sensor. You should have one camera, another side sensor. Quite bulky. The bridge here is bulky as well. Here this side the frame is also quite bulky, obviously AI glasses. To charge, this one is charging, so you put here to charge. Should be as this is a magnetic charger here. 8-hour charging should last in this case. Let me show you close the build. Here is the camera, other side maybe the sensor. Beautiful glass though. You see how is the body here. You have a speaker hole both sides. Okay, with this button, you see this is power button. Here we go closer. This is power button. This is picture button. You see I click this one. The first button, you see the picture. You can take snapshot with this one. So I'm gonna try this on and I will tell you, I will show you the sample or other stuff. You can see I put on, and look is beautiful. Look as same as the Meta. Little bit difference as Wayfarer Meta, but pretty similar. Walking shot, sunny day with a mountain. Coding from the glass now. You can see I'm looking outside. We'll check the sound. Recording outside. At my place. Okay guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. If you like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. Take care till then. Bye.